Yo, this is a quick tech demo update to show you some cool new features that I finally got to work. So, we'll just get right into it real quick. Okay, so what we have here, so you notice there's tabs up here. We're going to go with this one first, and I'm going to bring this out to show you. We are currently on Windows 10 Pro. On the newest build. As you see, it just put it up here too, so now we got the Systems tab. So, finally we are able to multi-tab applications and Explorers windows all in the same screen. And this also goes with Internet Explorer and another browser called SeaMonkey. So you can tab it, or you could take it off, or we could tab it back on. Same thing, we can do it with iTunes. So if we take iTunes, I could tab it in. So now we have iTunes in there. I can make that full screen. See, there we go, full screen where you double tapped. It's supposed to be able to go up, but I could do it this way too, I suppose. So you grab it there, and you notice there's a little white bar. It's a little broken still for a few minor things like that. So if I go here and then tab it here, yeah, see there's a slight bar. This one doesn't have it, this one doesn't have it. So we'll just untab it again, and then here if you do this, you can do that, right? If I go here, then I can alt swing. No, you can't. See, that's also slightly broken. If it's already tabbed here, you can't take it out of the tab by doing that. You'd have to do this. And then you'd have to let it go. There you go. And then put it back in. So, if it's in, you notice how it doesn't catch the tops because you gotta let it go first and then drag it. And we'll put it back in. There you go. So now you can, and if I go Windows tab, you can see it's tabbing to different windows in the same tab. And so if I go here, I'm going to just create new folder. I can go here, I can take this. So you can't, oh, yeah, you can. See, you can drag it up, and then I can dump it here. And I say there it is. Should have, like I said, you could have your different tabs open. So I could take it. I don't think it works with all apps yet. As you can see, I can't combine Steam in it. Yeah. And I don't think I can combine Steam with Steam yet. Yeah, see. It doesn't quite. Some apps don't quite work that well with it yet. Technically, Uplay I think did it though. So if I go Uplay and I go Friends. So see now Uplay and Friends are up in one tab. Or I could pull it out. See, when you pull it out, it doesn't go full screen, then you have to take it again and do that. Or I could put it back in, right? So now I got Friends and that. So some apps work well that way, some don't yet. And then you can close it there. See, when you close it out, it gives you this, it doesn't put the window back at full screen properly. You have to manually do it. But for the most part, you can now, people were asking, you can now have file explore.exe or file management window, Windows Explorer, to finally be tabbed instead of having multiple windows across your desktop. I'll kill that. My Facebook, I'll kill that now. iTunes, I do need this, so I'm going to take it out. Drop it sideways. There we go. Put that back up. There you go. So, just a small new feature that's somewhat coming to Windows 10 for all you normal people down the line. Can't tell you when it's actually going to come out, but there you go.